Hello everyone, this is our product. It's called the 101 Hero 3D printer, and we have the instruction manual, and we have the cover model. Now this is the controller, and this one here is the power adapter. This is the extruder, and we have a tape. This is the filament, and some clippers, and some screws here. This one here is on stand mode. 3 pieces. Let's put together the 3D printer. First, let's unwind the wires. Take the first piece of the stand mode and put it in a standing position. Then make sure you put the wire through the gap and then cover it with the cover mod. And then we will use the screws to put it together. Now hold the pieces together tightly. Put the screws in like this. Make sure you put it all the way through. Now we will assemble the second piece. Again, make sure you take the wires out and put them through the gap, and also screw them tightly. Now this is the third and final piece, and as we did before, we will put the wires through the gap and have it screwed tightly. And now we will put the top cover. Also make sure to put the wire through the gaps. And also make sure you screw them tightly. And now we have to lift the connected pods that will essentially leave the extruder in the center. Make sure you screw the 6 pieces that will connect both the extruder with the connected pods. Now please follow the instruction manual to connect the connector to the controller in an orderly fashion. Now we will cut the filament diagonally. Now we will open the gate of the extruder and insert the filament. First going through the first tube, reaching the second tube until there isn't any more room at the end of it. Now we close the gate of the extruder and tightly put the screws on the gate. Now we will take the glass platform and put the tapes on it, but make sure not to fold the tapes together. It is okay to leave gaps in between them. Now you have the option to leave the extra pieces of the tape or leave it as it is, but make sure not to make them stick on the bottom of the platform. Now we put the taped glass platform onto the printer using paper clippers from either side. Please log in to our website www.101land.com. Then choose the 3D model and click on Game Objects. Choose your favorite picture. If we click on the boat, 2 pictures will appear. If we choose this 3D boat, you can click here to add it to your favorite. Then continue. To download this object, click on Download and click on All Available Original. To save this object, click on Save As. Choose the desktop and click Save. Now let's choose Open Folder. Go back to the desktop and zip it. The next step is open the folder on the desktop and unzip the folder on the right side. Copy the 101 Hero file into your SD card. Then take out the SD card and insert it into the 3D printer.